Imagine having the freedom to get yourself to where you want to go, when you want to go, and with whomever you want, really. Well, achieving that freedom could very well start with acquiring a provisional or learner's driver's license. And the steps to getting there? Pretty simple. A provisional driver's license permits an unlicensed individual to operate a motor vehicle on the public roads while under the supervision of a licensed driver. Persons can obtain their learner's permit from as early as age 17.
In order to acquire a provisional driver's license, you're going to need to have 3 passport-size pictures that are signed by a JP, right? So you need you will need to fill out that application for a provisional driver's license form that must be filled out. Also, you need to show proof of identification, whether it's national ID, passport. If you don't have any of those, birth certificate.
So after you've presented all those documents, it's now time to do the road code test.
The road code test is free. There is no charge. It is easy. Once you have passed, a sealed document will be sent to the tax office. It must not be opened at all. If you open it, you will be tampering with it, and that would cause problems.
But in previous years, doing a road code test was never a requirement in getting your provisional driver's license. So why now?
We want to ensure, that our road safety operations are in alignment with the Great Road Safety Nation and in accordance with United Nations road safety postulates, right? So we have signed on to UN road safety protocols. So we are ensuring that all our operations are in alignment with best practices, and also to ensure that at every step of the way, our population who are learning to drive are empowered.
So let's say you've passed your road code test. There's just one more step or stop to be made before you're handed your provisional driver's license.
Once you pass the free road code test, then you will head to the tax office and you will pay $1,800 for that provisional driver's license. Now, no fees are to be paid at any examination depot, and then you are on the quest to learn to drive. Now, you must ensure that that vehicle that you are operating, right, have the L both at the front and at the back. And the L must have a white background with a red L.
While it's fairly simple, the Island Traffic Authority has put provisions in place for those who may fail the road code test.
Remember now, we have a scheduling system, right? So persons are scheduled, and it depends on whether or not space is available. But oftentimes we try to facilitate as best as possible based on the schedule, right? So it's very important for persons to understand that in order to schedule your road code test, you can send an email to dita@mtw.gov.jm or driver's license at mtw.gov.jm, right? Send an email that you want to do your road code test, and with supernatural speed, you will get a response. I assure you, you'll get a response in less than 24 hours. For example, you have a driver's license to operate a motor car, and you want to operate a truck, right? Learn to drive a truck. You do not need to come and get a provisional driver's license. Go back to the process again. Since you already have a driver's license to operate a car, what you need to do now, put the L on the truck, the front and the back. So your driver's license now serves as a provisional driver's license, right? So because you'd have already gone through that step already. So, and just in case you also want to operate a motorcycle, you would then ensure the L is on the vehicle, both at the front and at the back, and then that driver's license you use as the provisional driver's license.
And just like that, you are now the holder of your very own provisional driver's license.